Welcome students to Sociology. This is your online classroom. Using Google Classroom, I have created an online sociology course for us to use this coming semester. I created this video to give you the information for you to be successful in navigating this course. This is where you will find your due dates, your assignments, questions that I pose, and basic information and technology tools for you to use in all the upcoming assignments and discussions that we will have. What I will have you first do is sign into your Google account, and I will give you a code here that will give you access to the site. You will type this in and log in to the classroom, and when you log in you will see a stream like this. The stream is where anything that I post, questions, assignments, announcements, this is where you will see everything. For information regarding one specific unit that we are currently in, you will go over to the left hand side here and click this unit. So you will see a few assignments posted here already for our first unit. If you go to the basics, this is information that is important for the entirety of the semester. So a welcoming, but our syllabus, classroom rules, Symbaloo, which this is a resource for you to utilize to quickly find sites that we might be talking about. So for instance, we do a lot of TED Talks, watching TED videos, researching TED videos, and using this as a way to create discussion and collaborate for this classroom. I have included some of my basic contact information for you, along with some other questions and an introduction. If you go to the About tab here, you will see the outline of our course, some information, what this class site is designed to do, and to encourage the evaluation of this course and the standards that we will be looking at. I've also included some more resources that we will be using for this course. If we go back to the stream here, I will show you how to navigate the assignments. So for instance, what I would expect for an assignment like this, I would expect you to access this YouTube video, and you will watch this crash course. Crash course is a great online tool, video tool that gives you information about what sociology is in a snapshot. Crash course focuses on U.S. history, world history, and for the purpose of this course, we will be looking at crash course focusing on sociology. Once you watch the video, I want you to respond in a reflection of what the video was about. What is sociology based on what you saw and visualized from this video? So for this site, for this assignment, you would access this Google Doc, and you will respond with a reflection here. When we get more involved in the course, I will have you guys create a collaborative tool called Slack. This is where we can respond and communicate to one another, to your peers, in more of a chat type way. I will sometimes encourage you to respond to questions in the comments below here, and encourage you then to respond to other peers as well. The idea of this course is to get you collaborating with your peers and sharing your ideas. I will continue to develop and put assignments, announcements in the appropriate unit that we are looking at. A big part of this course is looking at issues that you are concerned with and concerned about, and then posing the lessons around those concerns. You will post projects to the classroom. When I have created those assignments, you will post them here in the comments. So as we get into more of the units and into the depth of those units, we'll become more familiar with those topics based on the issues you've posed. So that should be all the information to get you going on the site for now. Thank you.